What is up, YouTube? So today we are going to show you how to change headlight bulbs as well as headlight housings for the 2000 through 2006 Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, the 2500 and 3500 pickup trucks. So you don't need any tools for this. All you're going to do is you're going to pop your hood, come right over to either headlight, this one or your driver's side. It's the same for both. There's two little clips right here that hold these retaining pins, and all you'll do is you'll just pop them out, slide them straight on up, just like that. Now you're going to grab from the grill side. So for the driver's side it would be on the left, and then for the passenger side you're going to grab the right of the headlight, and you're just going to slide it straight out and then bring the back end out. And then from there you have full access to both your your headlight as well as your high beam. And then if you'd like to pop out the bottom, you're going to come right down to this clip right here, and you'll just push this to the side, which will allow, that'll allow your running light to pop out, which gives you your side marker and both your turn and day running lights. And then it's just the same in reverse. You're gonna go ahead and you'll slide this piece. There's a little hook right here, which is gonna fit right here in this groove right here. Just go ahead, pop that in the groove, and then from there you'll find right here on this spot, and you'll just push it right in. Okay, and then same thing for the upper headlight. You're going to push in the fender side first, and while you're doing this you're making sure to align both these spots here with the holes that retain the headlight. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this all with one hand. And then once that's in there, you can grab your pins and just slide them right into place. Now sometimes they don't glide in there very well, so you might have to kind of wiggle your headlight, but they should go in fairly simple and nice and easy. That's changing the headlights.